Howdy, partners! Get ready for some finger-licking fun with my recipe for pressure cooker BBQ Chicken Sliders. These sliders are so easy to make, you'll want to add them to your weekly dinner rotation. Tender, juicy chicken bathed in tangy BBQ sauce, all piled high on soft buns. Is your mouth watering yet? Let's get cooking! These sliders are perfect for a crowd. They're great for game day, potlucks, or a casual family dinner. And the best part? You can make them ahead of time. Just reheat and serve. I like to use my trusty pressure cooker for this recipe. It makes the chicken so tender and juicy, it practically falls apart. Plus, it's super quick. You can have dinner on the table in under an hour. Now, let's gather our ingredients and get started on these amazing BBQ chicken sliders. You're gonna love them. All right, let's round up everything we need for these tasty sliders. Don't worry, this recipe uses simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry and fridge. Chicken. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs if you prefer. BBQ sauce. Use your favorite store-bought sauce or make your own. Onion. 1 medium onion, chopped. You can also use onion powder if you're in a pinch. Garlic. 2 cloves, minced. Feel free to add more if you're a garlic lover. Chicken broth. 1 cup. This will add moisture and flavor to the chicken. Slider buns. Get enough for your crowd. I like to have extra on hand, just in case. Salt and pepper. To taste. See? I told you these were simple ingredients. Now that we've got everything we need, let's move on to the fun part, cooking. It's time to get our chicken ready for the pressure cooker. First things first, give your chicken breasts a good rinse under cold water. Pat them dry with paper towels. This helps the seasonings stick better. Now grab your cutting board and a sharp knife. Cut the chicken breasts in half. This will help them cook faster and more evenly in the pressure cooker. Next, grab a large bowl and add your chopped onion, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Give everything a good stir to combine. This is our flavor base for the chicken. Section 4. Cook your chicken to perfection. All right, let's fire up the pressure cooker. Pour your chicken broth into the bottom of the pot. Next, add the chicken breasts to the pot, making sure they're in a single layer. Pour that delicious onion and garlic mixture over the chicken. Don't be shy with it. Now for the star of the show, the BBQ sauce. Pour your favorite BBQ sauce over the chicken. I like to use about a cup, but you can adjust to your liking. Give everything a good stir to coat the chicken evenly. Put the lid on your pressure cooker and make sure it's sealed tight. Set the valve to seal and cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. Once the cooking time is up, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. This allows the chicken to continue cooking and become super tender. Section 5. Shred that chicken. After the pressure has released, carefully open the lid of your pressure cooker. The chicken should be cooked through and incredibly tender. Let's shred it. Using 2 forks, shred the chicken right in the pot. You can also use an electric mixer if you prefer. Once the chicken is shredded, give it a good stir to coat it in all that yummy BBQ sauce. Now, here's a little secret for extra flavor. Add a little more BBQ sauce to the shredded chicken. This will give it an extra boost of flavor and make it extra saucy. Section 6. Building the perfect BBQ chicken sliders. All right, folks, it's time to assemble our sliders. Grab your slider buns and lightly toast them if you like. This adds a nice crunch and prevents the buns from getting soggy. Spoon a generous amount of that saucy, shredded chicken onto the bottom half of each bun. Don't be shy. Pile it high. Now for the toppings. I like to keep it simple with some creamy coleslaw and a pickle or 2. But feel free to get creative. Sliced onions, tomatoes, avocado, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it. the best BBQ chicken sliders you'll ever taste. Serve them up with your favorite sides and get ready for some happy faces around the table. Enjoy, y'all!